Hello, you freaking legends. We are looking good, feeling good, and doing good. I am so excited to announce this. God bless you all. I hope you all are having a wonderful weekend, a wonderful evening, a wonderful day. It's been a long time coming, but we officially have pine tar shampoo and conditioner. Let's go, conditioner. Let's go. This is so cool. In honor of that, we got the pine tar candle. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. And then we do have, it's not pine tar cologne, but it's the crushed pine natural cologne. It's pretty good. If you want me to do a review on it, it's more like an oil base. So I know they've done surveys about what kind of colognes, like different colognes. So I really appreciate y'all being here. This is a super cool moment. Just a little backstory. So I actually started using Dr. Squatch about 5 years ago, and it started with pine tar. Pine tar till this day is my favorite bar of soap. There's just no question. The experience is amazing. The oatmeal, just the combination of that foresty nature, piney smell is so good. And I can't wait to put it on my hair. So I'm really pumped, and I hope you all are too. And be sure, if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe and like and put notifications so you can get notified when this stuff goes live. Now, obviously, this is different than exclusive because this is going to be in the main lineup in the hair kit. But if you want to get notified for like exclusives or anything that's news related to Dr. Squatch, this is going to be your spot. As a community intern, I've been learning a lot. Like a community intern for Dr. Squatch, I've been learning a lot, and I can't wait to continue this journey with you all. You can also join the exclusive Discord, and shout out to everyone in Dr. Squatch. Shout out to the Scrub Club. I really appreciate it all. With that said, look good, feel good, do good. I can't wait to review this. The ingredients look amazing. It sounds really good. I mean, just putting pine tar in your hair. Let's go. I can't wait. Look good, feel good, do good. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Let's freaking go.